Welcome back! Today we're diving into a lesser-known part of the chicken gizzards. Ever wondered what they are and how they're used? Let's find out! Chicken gizzards are a type of organ meat found in the digestive tract of chickens. They're a muscular part of the stomach that helps grind up food, especially for birds that don't have teeth. Unlike other organs, gizzards have a tough, chewy texture and are packed with flavor. They're often cooked slowly to make them tender, and they're used in various dishes around the world. Chicken gizzards are quite versatile. You can fry them, stew them, or even grill them. They're popular in southern cuisine in the United States, and in many other cultures, they're a beloved ingredient in soups and stews. Nutritionally, chicken gizzards are a good source of protein, iron, and other essential nutrients. They're lower in fat compared to some other meats and can be a healthy addition to your diet. So, if you're looking to try something new or include more variety in your meals, chicken gizzards might be worth a try. They offer a unique taste and texture that can really spice up your cooking. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative and interesting, please like, comment, and subscribe for more food facts and cooking tips. Share this video with friends who might enjoy exploring new ingredients.